Police Chief Andresol has called senior officers to an emergency meeting. Crime is surging, and Andresol feels they're losing control. A senior officer's wife has just been assassinated. A gang of escapees is kidnapping wealthy Haitians.
C'est un groupe nèg qui se pénitentiaire qui réuni. Yo même c'est des policiers, anciens policiers qui dans tête moi même si yo pas participé activement dans entraînement dans Caïmoun yo, mais c'est planifié quoi parce que yo pensait yo connaît qui la police fonctionnait.
Another kidnap gang has adopted a disturbing tactic.
Avec bail, je dis nous connait la uniforme la police, 200 velocité de la police. Vous va venir la police et tout.
Andresol has been trying to root out rogue cops for years. But he also fears that corrupt politicians are in league with the resurgent gangs.
Les gens honnêtes ici.
Honest people don't go into politics in Haiti.
Et c'est là.
That's our great tragedy.
Je fais la politique ici.
To be in politics, you have to belong to a closed circle of men who think only of themselves and who at times can resort to killing.
Andresol knows this from experience. Before becoming police chief 5 years ago, he survived 2 assassination attempts organized by politicians linked to gangs and had to flee.
The system is organized like a gang.
Until last month, Ray Baisden headed the UN's intelligence center in Haiti.
There is not a natural divide between politics and gangsterism. They know that in order to succeed, they must depend upon each other. The politician knows that he needs that gangster to survive, that he needs that gangster to get elected, to stay elected, and to carry out his or her mandate.